fix we cannot sign into your account on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we cannot sign into your account on Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we'll head towards the command prompt. So you need to simply press Windows and R key together, and then you need to type CMD over here to open the command prompt. Now that you're in the command prompt, you need to insert the following command, that is who am I space and / user. And as you can see that this will give you an SID value. You need to simply go ahead and remember this SID value, or you can simply note down it as well. Now once you have done that, we'll head back, and that you need to simply go ahead and click on registry editor. Now that you are in the registry editor, here you need to simply go ahead and expand HKey local machine, and from here you need to go ahead and expand software. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and expand Microsoft, and once you are here, you need to go ahead and expand Windows. Now as you can see that the Windows NT is expanded. Now you need to simply go ahead and find the current version. Simply go ahead and expand that, and from here you need to go ahead and find profile list. Now, as you can find the profile list, you need to simply go ahead and click on your SID over here. Once you are here, you need to ensure that your profile image path is same as actual user folder. Now, once that it is done, you need to simply go ahead and click on state option over here and make sure that the value data is set to 0. And then you need to click on OK, and this might help you resolve the issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.